Okay, so in this video I'm going to cover how we can change the theme on our website. And basically themes control the overall look, the appearance of our website. And so the header, the sidebars, the graphics, all these things, even the fonts. And some themes add additional functionality to your site, and it's quite easy to change it. So if we go back to our dashboard, and to do this, to change it, we go to Appearance and Themes, and there are a couple of ways that we can change our theme. Now, we select Add New, and we basically have some settings here as a search function, and this applies to the WordPress repository. Now, at wordpress.org there are thousands, literally thousands, of themes that are available for free for you to download. So you can, if you know the name of the theme that you're looking for, or a specific, say if you're looking for a theme that is responsive, you could type that there. And also you can filter out the search results by looking for themes with specific colors, number of columns, layout, features, subject. Okay, so, and you can also go ahead and check the featured themes, and you can look at themes based on the newest themes, or themes that have been recently updated. Okay, so if I'm just going to go to the newest, and all the themes that you will select from this repository are open source, GPL, under a GPL license, so you are free to use them and do basically whatever you want with them. And this is one of the safest places to get themes. Unfortunately, there are people out there who give away free themes with the intention of adding malicious code, viruses, etc. to your site. But all the themes that have been uploaded to the WordPress repository have been checked, and they have to go through a rigorous, set of qualifications before they can get there. So you can feel pretty safe downloading themes from there. So just keep in mind that if you go and say you search in Google and you look for free themes, that you have to be very careful as to who you get these themes from. Just ensure that they're a trusted theme developer, and you're not putting malicious code on your website. Okay, so I'm just going to just pick a random theme here just to show you what it would look like, and you'll just get kind of a preview here of what the theme will look like on your site. And you can just select install, and then you have the option to look at a live preview with your current content. And you also have, and this is something that we can look at into more detail. To customize your site, you can just very quickly from here to change some of this information that we saw in our settings, and our navigation. So you could change the menu that you use if you had more than one custom menu. and your static front page, etc. Okay, now we can just activate this theme, and if we go back to our home page and we refresh, then we will see that the look and feel of our site has totally changed. And that's how easy it is to install a theme from the repository. Okay, so now we can look at installing a theme from zip files, and the process is similar. If we go back to Appearance, Themes, Add New, and then we would select Upload. And as you can see, there's just a little message that says install a theme in zip format. Okay, so it has to be in a zip format. So wherever you get your theme from, whether you've paid for it or it's free, then it needs to be in a zip format. And what will happen is that WordPress will unzip it. Now, if you're not familiar with zipping, it just means that the files are compressed, and that just makes it easier to upload to your site, makes it faster, and then WordPress will automatically unzip it and install the file. So I'm just going to go ahead and we choose our file, and you'll be able to select it from your hard drive, and then just select install now. And then you just have the message that says theme installed successfully. And again, you can do a live preview. We can just go ahead and activate it. And you just have some information here from theme author, and this will change depending on the type of theme or where you get your theme from. And if we just go back now to our site and refresh, then again you will see that the complete look of our site has changed. And this particular theme has, this is a premium theme, and it does come with some additional features. It has a custom homepage, etc. And I'm not going to get into the customization of the theme, but just to show you that there are some themes, in particular premium themes, that, as you can see, our website now basically looks, bare bones. You're just seeing, because some additional configuration needs to be done. So we just basically would have just gone through the options. It comes with a customized homepage, with specific settings, a featured area, etc., etc. So that's something you would have to go ahead and do. But just for the purpose of this video, I just wanted to show you how easy it was to install the theme through zip files.